In this video, I am going to teach you how to quickly import the Nifty 50 stocks into your TradingView watchlist. This will save you time and help you monitor all your favorite stocks in one place. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account with your email or Google login. Next, head to the product section at the top and click on Super Charts to launch the main charting interface. Click your profile at the top right corner of the TradingView screen. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Choose Import List from the choices in the drop-down menu. This option lets you upload any CSV or TXT file with your stock symbols. Click the watchlist file you downloaded or created, and it will automatically be added to your chart. You'll see all the Nifty 50 stocks neatly listed in your watchlist. And that's how to import the Nifty 50 into your TradingView watchlist. If this helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical tutorials. See you next time!